Is 2026 the year the Internet of Value finally arrives? For decades, we've watched the digital world evolve at a breathtaking pace, transforming how we communicate, work, and live. But now, a new question emerges. Are we truly ready for the next leap forward? We've moved from the Internet of Information to the Internet of Social Connection. Now we're on the verge of a new era where ownership and value move as easily as email. The way we interact with digital assets is about to change forever, making transactions faster, more secure, and more inclusive than ever before. Tokenization is the engine behind this shift, and 2026 is shaping up to be its breakout year. This technology is unlocking new possibilities, allowing everything from art to real estate to be represented digitally, traded globally, and owned by anyone with an internet connection. Instead of paper deeds or centralized registries, assets will be represented as digital tokens on blockchains, secure, transparent, and accessible to anyone. This means fewer barriers, less paperwork, and a level playing field for people everywhere. Imagine buying a fraction of a skyscraper or a masterpiece with just a few taps on your phone. Investments that once seemed out of reach will soon be available to millions, opening doors to new opportunities and reshaping how we think about ownership. Major banks, investment firms, and governments are no longer on the sidelines. They're building the infrastructure for this new economy. Their involvement signals a shift from experimentation to real-world adoption, bringing credibility and scale to the movement. The technology once dismissed as niche is now the foundation for tomorrow's financial markets. What was once a futuristic vision is quickly becoming a practical reality, with new platforms and services launching every month. 2026 isn't just a date. It's the tipping point after years of development and growing acceptance. The momentum is undeniable, and the world is watching as we approach this historic milestone. This shift will impact everyone, not just financial insiders. Everyday people, families, and small businesses will all feel the effects as the Internet of Value becomes part of daily life. Understanding tokenization is key to navigating the future of money and value. Learning about these changes now will help you make informed decisions and seize new opportunities as they arise. The pieces are falling into place for a truly transformative year. As 2026 approaches, the world stands on the brink of a revolution that will redefine how we own, trade, and interact with value itself. What is tokenization? It's a term you might have heard in the world of digital finance. But what does it really mean, and why is it so revolutionary? Simply put, tokenization is the process of transforming ownership of real-world assets, like property, art, or even gold, into digital tokens that live on a blockchain. Imagine your house deed, not as a paper locked away, but as a secure digital token in your digital wallet. This token is protected by advanced cryptography, making it safe, and it can be transferred instantly to anyone, anywhere. Unlike a traditional bank's centralized ledger, blockchain technology distributes these ownership records across a vast global network. This makes the records transparent, tamper-resistant, and nearly impossible to forge or alter without consensus. Tokenization isn't just for real estate. It can be applied to stocks, bonds, fine art, gold, intellectual property, collectibles, and even patents. Almost anything of value can be tokenized. Each token represents a slice of value, making assets divisible into smaller, more affordable pieces. This means you can own a fraction of a painting or a share of a building and trade these tokens 24/7 from anywhere in the world. The physical asset itself stays safely in place, but its ownership can move across borders in seconds, opening up global markets and new opportunities. By cutting out brokers and middlemen, tokenization slashes costs, reduces paperwork, and eliminates unnecessary delays that have long plagued traditional asset transfers. Transactions become direct and peer-to-peer, with the blockchain acting as a trusted, automated record keeper that ensures accuracy and security. Tokenization transforms slow, illiquid assets, like real estate or rare art, into fast, liquid digital value that can be bought, sold, or traded in moments. This is more than just a technological upgrade. It's a fundamental shift in how our financial system operates, making it more open, efficient, and accessible. The digital vault is now open. Valuable assets that were once locked away are more accessible than ever before, ready to be unlocked by anyone with an internet connection. This is the foundation for a new era of financial efficiency and global inclusion, where anyone, anywhere, can participate in the world's wealth. The future of ownership is digital, secure, and truly global, ushering in possibilities we're only beginning to imagine. Not all blockchains are built for tokenization. Two standouts, XRP Ledger and Solana, are leading the way. XRP Ledger is designed for finance, fast, cheap, and reliable, with built-in tools for issuing and managing tokenized assets. Ripple is partnering with banks and institutions to bring tokenization to the mainstream. Solana, meanwhile, is built for speed, processing tens of thousands of transactions per second, perfect for high-frequency trading and instant settlement. Its ecosystem is buzzing with projects tokenizing everything from stocks to real estate. The future will be multi-chain, different blockchains specializing in different roles. XRP may dominate cross-border payments and compliance. Solana could power high-speed markets. Together, they're driving us toward the tokenized future of 2026. Tokenization's impact is clearest when we look at real assets. It's transforming the way we think about ownership, investment, and access to wealth. By digitizing physical assets, tokenization is opening doors that were previously closed to most people. Stocks and bonds, once slow to settle, can now be traded instantly, globally, and around the clock. This new level of efficiency means that anyone, anywhere, can participate in markets that used to be limited by geography and time zones. Real estate, once illiquid, becomes accessible. Imagine owning a fraction of a $50 million building for just a few dollars. Tokenization breaks down barriers, letting people invest in properties that were once out of reach and making real estate markets more dynamic and flexible. Fractional ownership creates liquidity and democratizes access to assets once reserved for the wealthy. Now, more people can share in the growth and value of these assets, spreading opportunity far wider than before. Small businesses can tokenize future revenue, raising capital directly from supporters. This means entrepreneurs can grow their ventures with help from their communities, bypassing traditional gatekeepers. Artists and musicians can sell tokens tied to royalties, connecting directly with fans and investors. This new model empowers creators, giving them more control and a direct stake in their own success. Tokenization unlocks value trapped in large, indivisible assets. By dividing them into digital shares, it makes it possible for many people to benefit from assets that were once out of reach. This isn't about replacing the old system overnight, but building a more dynamic, inclusive layer on top. It's about evolving finance to be more open, transparent, and fair for everyone. Real-world assets become digital, tradable, and accessible to all. The lines between traditional and digital finance are blurring, creating new possibilities for investors everywhere. The revolution is about participation, who can own, invest, and benefit. It's about giving more people a seat at the table and a chance to build wealth. 2026 is set to accelerate this transformation, ushering in a new era where access, opportunity, and innovation are available to all. As tokenization grows, regulators like the SEC are stepping in to set the rules. Their main question: when is a token a security? If it represents ownership or future profits, it's likely regulated. The SEC is testing, enforcing, and slowly providing guidance, sometimes through sandboxes where new products can be trialed safely. Clear rules are essential for mainstream adoption. Big investors need certainty before committing serious capital. Regulators are drawing lines between cryptocurrencies and tokenized securities, building trust and legitimacy. Expect more explicit frameworks and collaboration as 2026 approaches. Regulation isn't a barrier, it's a guide, ensuring the revolution is stable and fair. The groundwork laid today will support tomorrow's global token markets. Technology is just a tool. The real force behind tokenization is people. Developers, entrepreneurs, and visionaries are working tirelessly to build this new financial future. Their drive and resilience push through technical and regulatory challenges. Adapting to this new world means learning new skills: digital wallets, private keys, decentralized exchanges. Like learning email or web browsers, it's a necessary step for everyone. Perseverance and openness to change will determine who thrives in the Internet of Value. This is a human story, about breaking barriers and creating opportunity. The future is built by those who persist, adapt, and believe in a better system. Together, we're shaping the next era of finance. As 2026 nears, tokenization is no longer a theory. It's a fast-moving reality. We've seen how platforms like XRP, Ledger, and Solana are laying the groundwork, and how regulators are helping build a trusted market. The Internet of Value is set to bridge crypto and the traditional economy, bringing new value and users into blockchain. Success will be measured by the real-world assets secured and transacted, not just token prices. This marks a new era of maturity and utility for crypto. The financial system is being rebuilt to be more digital, democratic, and efficient. Staying informed and engaged is the best way to seize the coming opportunities. The revolution is just beginning, and it's a future we can all help build. The revolution will be tokenized.